Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back for another video. We got another awesome watch face coming from Tizen. This one is nice. It seems that Tizen is doing their thing with these watch faces. This one is absolutely beautiful. One of the best looking luxury watch faces out there. But you guys do not want to go anywhere. You're going to be able to customize this watch face as well. You get so many different looks in one watch face. All right. With that being said, let's get started with this review. All right, you all. This one is called Rose Gold. It's an analog watch face, a premium luxury looking sport analog watch face. I love it. I love the Timex look that you got going on over here. It's in black. You can see it clearly. I love the look of the premium analog hands as well. You get a nice second hand that's ticking around the bezel of the watch. And then you got these dials that's going to give you information on battery info, step info. I thought this was definitely a nice look, but look at the detailing that's in the background of this watch face, which you're going to be able to customize. And the index definitely stands out. I like the fact that you have a little bit of black going around it to really bring out this gold tone in this watch face. Now, some of the things you're going to be able to do to this watch face is you can tap here. You're going to be able to add your favorite applications. So you get three places in which you're going to be able to do this. Tap on that one, and then you can tap on the one at the bottom. You're going to be able to do the same thing to make the watch face a little bit more convenient to have on your wrist. Remember, this is free for the taking for a limited time only. Okay, and then I could tap right here, and then now I can go in and set another one. So I thought this was definitely a good look by the developer. But check this out. Now I can change the look of the background. I mean, you get so many that you can change this to for whatever look you're looking for on that particular day. I'm thinking this is a definite download. Look, that looks beautiful. Tap it again, lightens up with a little brown. Not bad, right? Not bad at all. The developer definitely got down on this one. But the question is, at the end of the day, you guys, what do you think? You're going to download this one, or are you going to leave it exactly right where it's at? All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. We're going to see you all at the next one. Right after you hit that like button, smash the notification bell. And remember, you guys, don't forget, subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next one. Take care.